Well, I would say, being a Brent Icon fan myself, that was truly iconic.
I'll tell you what, you keep talking about Brent Icon right now. Here's Daniel Masters, and if you look at his chest, you can still see my handprints from last night's Rumble in the Jungle match.
Well, Daniel Masters did pretty well in that Rumble, and he is joined by one half of the former BECW Tag Team Champions in Joel Light.
And guess what? Last night I eliminated him 2 Superman punches. It was night time and he was out of there!
Doesn't matter. He's held titles. You haven't.
Only time.
Interim Championship, British Counties Championship, and 2-time BECW Tag Team Champion.
You are so right, Twilight, but here's the thing. He wouldn't survive against the All-Star, the Wolf, Alexander Roth, okay?
Ah, but Twilight Jones may have an answer for that one.
Everyone's got an answer for that. Everyone's got an answer till they get punched in the face.
Well, you might find yourself getting the drive-by kick to the face.
Well, we'll see if that happens.
And of course, it is our BECW Tag Team Champions in the God of War Ares, the Lord of the Underworld Hades. Of course, it is the God Protection Guild, one of the strongest units on our roster.
I'll have to agree with you there. Last night I was slightly manhandled. Wait, let me rephrase that. Last night I was...
You was brutally manhandled by the G.P.G.
I think you need to chill. You have no chill, so just have a bit of chill. Because I was not manhandled or brutally, anything like that. I was just thrown around a little bit.
Your manager had to save you how many times from your feet touching the ground last night?
0.
I saw it with my own eyes. It was at least 3 times.
Guess what? I was in the ring, mate.
Oh, I would have been there. I would have been there had it not been for my injury, my friend.
If I were injured right now, I would jump across this table and smack you so hard in the head. You would go straight back to Twilight Land with your vampires and your wolves.
Well, you could be a twist of fate away from the end of your career.
Let's agree to disagree, shall we?
Oh, and I have just been informed that this is for the BECW Tag Team belts.
Obviously, dummy, if the referee holds up the belt and says that's what it is, that's what it is. Maybe if you did your job properly, you would remember to say that. How about
Maybe
that?
if you shut up and pay attention, you might actually get some commentary done on this match. Let's go Lightning! Let's go Lightning!
Let's go Lightning! Let's go Lightning!
To be honest, I'm so surprised Joe Lightning is still functioning properly right now. I've got clocked him so hard in the head yesterday. I'm surprised he ain't got a concussion.
Well, he was first in to the Rumble, our God of War Ares was, and he survived quite well, quite a long time.
Did he win?
As far as I know, it was Luther Reinhardt that won the Rumble. Why was it not the All-Star Alexander Roth?
It would have been. If I wasn't screwed out of it by damn Hollywood Shane Stevens and his director's cut, then he broke my back in half.
Good. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I would say you kind of deserved it.
If you say so, my friend. And if you deserve something as well, he's going to get it.
Well, Hades is now choking. Lightning, and there's a bad Hades with a bite to the face of Joe Lightning.
Doesn't he usually come to the ring with a muzzle? Where the hell is it?
I think Ares is actually letting him keep the muzzle off.
Tag there.
Which... double suplex there from the G.P.G. delivered to Joe Lightning, who has had experience, as mentioned, in holding these tag team title belts with his tag team partner in Neo Shadows.
I wouldn't say those reigns are very impressive, but whatever you say, man.
Still,
whatever you say.
I wouldn't say they were impressive, but he has got a fresh tag team partner in Daniel Masters. This be the turnaround where Joe Lightning holds the tag team title belt for a 3rd time. Partner and a champion.
Clothesline in the corner there.
By Aries.
Face off.
What a clothesline there. 2 count.
Well, the G.P.G will be desperately wanting to keep hold of their title belts. Daniel Masters has had a close encounter on the county's title belt and the Internet Championship belt.
Guess what? He failed at both tries.
He failed at both tries, although Bill Duffy played a part in his failure of the British Counties Championship.
Did he lose or did he win?
Huh?
Did he lose or did he win?
He lost only because Scorpion interfered.
The history books remember that he lost.
Stop it! He's already dead! Let's go, Masters! Let's go, Masters!
Hades with a sleeper hold there. Masters looks like he's struggling.
I will give Daniel Masters his due. He has got stamina and he has got the heart.
Whoa, but never actually... You can never actually count Daniel Masters out. Is that the rear naked choke, Wesley?
Looks like
That is a rear naked choke. Excellent ring positioning from Hades, though, because Masters can't reach any of the rope, but he's managed to break his way out of it. And as the crowd turns, this is, of course, wrestling and an a forearm to the face of Hades. Clothesline.
If Alexander Rufford clothesline Hades, he was flying out that damn ring.
Well, I still think the best way to deal with the G.P.G is to take out their legs and keep them down on the mat.
Wow! Daniel Masters is finished after that. Oh, or not. Guess that heart is still playing a part. I personally would have thought there would be a lot for the G.P.G like usual, but hey, guess it wasn't to be today.
Back elbows today. Can Masters muster the strength to tag in Joe Lightning? Aries may need to tag in Hades as well.
Hades. As we worked out, the closers are not going to work on that mountain of a man yet. Guess not, stupid.
However, Joe Lightning has an answer.
He could have a little bit of salt around that floor. I don't think he got all of it.
This is why Joe Lightning.
The knees to the back there.
This is why Joe Lightning is unpredictable.
What is Joe going for here? Maybe a submission.
An armbar.
Let me ask you a question, Tyler. Do you actually see Hades tapping out to an armbar right now?
No. He's the Lord of the Underworld.
I can't believe it. We are doing something.
We agree on quite a few things, Alexander.
You say so. I'm an all-star.
For one thing, I do actually think you should have won that Rumble last night.
Oh, thank you, sir. As well you should. He's just toying with him. He's toying with Joe Lightning there. Oh. Way slam. Right across that ring, coast to coast. That was amazing. All the time is same port
It's
shot.
gotta be the end. And like this.
And I have to agree with that.
It kicks out at two. I thought that was the end. Masters and Joe both have the unpredictability and the fight to keep going.
Then the end is 9. How about that? Any second now. This match is over.
Way! That's a beautiful
Russian leg sweep. I haven't seen that for a while. And the crowd getting back into it.
where we've just seen the Russian leg sweep from Joe Lightning and the amazing counter. My question is, where did Joe Lightning learn a move like that?
I don't know if you was watching, but that was a spear, that was Beatcus, that was the 1-2-3. G.P.G victorious.
Yep. But as I said, where can you learn moves such as the Russian leg sweep we saw from Joe Lightning?
Why don't you tell me? You seem to
At
have
the
audio.
BECW training school, of course.
Most definitely. Can't show their respects it. Joe Lightning and Daniel Masters. Quite the competitors, but as usual, fell short at the last hurdle. And where they fall, Alexander Rock will rise.
The tag team partner to be tag team champions.
Look at this bloody romance. Hugs and cuddles. Someone pass me a sick bucket.
Our minds